On Tuesday, September 15, 2020, at approximately 10:30 p.m., a female called the Denver Police Department's non-emergency line and provided secondhand information regarding an intoxicated subject with a handgun in the parking lot of the apartment complex at 2499 South Colorado Boulevard. The caller explained that her family observed a handgun fall out of the subject's pants. She expressed concern that the subject with the handgun may hurt himself, as he seemed to be in distress.
My brother and my brother-in-law and my grandpa were downstairs outside, and I mean nothing happened, but there was a guy out there that he was visibly impaired, and he tried to hug everybody, and then a gun fell out of his pants.
Hey bro, put your hands up!
How you doing, sir? Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Get up! Put your hands on your head, behind your head. Turn around, face away from me. Get on the ground! Because I said so. Why? What did I do?
Get your hands up! You're gonna get shot! Get your hands up!
What did I do?
Somebody said you had a gun. Now get on the ground! Get on the ground!
What did I do?
Get on the ground now!
No, what did I do?
Don't walk over here!
No, what did I do?
Get on the ground now!
What did I do?
Tony, I need less lethal here. Get on the ground! If you walk over me, I'm gonna shoot you. You understand that?
No, please don't.
Get on your knees right now!
What did I do?
Get on the ground right now!
What did I do?
Get on the ground, I'll tell you about it. Get on the ground right now!
What did I do?
He's got something in his pocket.
I see it's a gun.
Get on the ground right now! 55 Sam, shots fired, officer involved. Put your hands out to the outside!
Put your hands up!
Tony, you want to work your way over to me? We'll go up this way. Both of you guys come over here.
Yes, sir.
Walk around this way. Get your hands above your head. Keep them out like an airplane. Put the gun on the left. I got it. Don't move. He's got a knife right here. Stand by. Stand by. Don't move.
I'm hurt. Get on the ground! Please don't. Please don't. Get on the ground! What did I do? Don't you put your hands on your head! What did I do?
Get on the ground, I'll tell you about it. Get on the ground right now.
What did I do?
You got something in his pocket.
I see it, it's a gun.
Get on the
There
ground.
is a gun in my pocket.
Don't
grab the gun! Fuck. Ah, shit.
Put your hands out to the outside.
Put your hands up!
Tony, you want to work way over to me? We'll go up this way.
Yep.
Both of you guys go over here.
Yes, sir.
Walk down this way.
Put your hands on your head, behind your head. Turn around, face away from me. Get on the ground.
5-6 sir. I'm at work 5-5-7. We have one at gunpoint.
Hey, put your hands up. Put your hands up. What did I do?
I'll be at Colorado and Westlake. That's why I stood in there. It's on the west side of the city.
No, what did I do? What did I do? Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Get down on your knees!
What did I do? Don't you put your hands on your head! What did I do? What did I do? I see it's a gun. There is a gun in my pocket.
Get on the ground!
Put your hands out to the outside.
Put your hands up!
Tony, you want to work way over to me? We'll go up this way.
Yep.
Yes, sir.